To install the OneFit LX and OneFit Max car seat with the vehicle seat belt in the forward-facing position, begin by storing the latch connectors and locating the top tether storage on the back of the OneFit. Open the compartment, squeeze the adjuster button, and pull down to loosen the strap. Then unhook the tether clip and close the compartment. Place the OneFit in your vehicle seat in the forward-facing position. Lay the tether strap over the back of the vehicle seat. Make sure it is not blocking the vehicle seat belt buckle and that the base is laying flat on the seating surface. Check that the headrest of the vehicle seat does not interfere with the headrest of the OneFit. Then squeeze the recline adjustment handle and pull forward to adjust to a reclined position. Check the bubble level indicator. Make sure the bubble is between the two lines for forward-facing installation. Readjust the recline as necessary. Loosen the harness straps and undo the buckle. Raise the headrest to the highest position. Lift the headrest fabric up and out of the way. Unsnap the seat pad fabric and pull the seat pad fabric forward and out of the way. Locate the lever lock release handle in the seat back. Squeeze the lever lock release handle and rotate the handle all the way to the left. Pull up the vehicle lap shoulder belt, then route the vehicle seat belt through the red forward-facing belt path. Pass the belt across the back and down through the forward-facing belt path opening on the opposite side of the OneFit. Buckle the seat belt. Grasp the shoulder belt and gently pull the slack out of the lap belt. Grasp both lap and shoulder belt straps. Pull the straps down and guide them up between the lever lock tension bars. Push up on the lever lock handle and rotate to the right until you hear a click indicating the lever lock handle is locked. Slide the vehicle shoulder belt into the belt guide. Always use the belt guide on the opposite side of the vehicle belt buckle. Locate the tether anchor in your vehicle. Attach the tether hook and pull the adjuster strap to tighten. Hold the OneFit at the belt path and pull side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or from side to side. Check that the bubble is still between the two lines for forward-facing installation. Place the seat pad, headrest pad, and harness straps back into the correct position.